The World Health Organization has declared mental illness a global epidemic. Healthcare systems and clinicians are being overwhelmed. MentalFloss has been specifically developed to stem this rising tide of mental illness through a unique metaphor-driven platform that improves mental health literacy and strengthens psychological resilience while helping you master proven practical skills for navigating life's many challenges. It does this in two ways, which we call heal and help. First, you are going to need relief from symptoms. The heading for the smartphone-based part of the app that addresses this is Heal. This healing part of the system provides relief from the symptoms of common psychological problems like crises, anxiety, depression, and addiction. So in summary, the app is organised into two sections, Heal and Help. Heal is handled by your smartphone app, and Help is delivered by interactive online exercises that are best viewed and completed on computer. You can't make reliable decisions or function properly while you are overwhelmed by anxiety or depression. So let's address the Heal section first. For the purposes of illustration, let's imagine that you are suffering from severe anxiety, complete with paralysing panic attacks. You open the Heal section of your phone app and listen to the appropriate album that addresses your problem.
You are alone, floating in the warm waters of the peaceful shallows of a beautiful secluded lagoon. Now, in the distance, you notice the worrying wolf-grey shadow of an approaching storm. The wind brings a chill of fear as you keep a watchful weather eye on the approaching tempest.
The app will introduce you to practical, evidence-informed coping strategies through immersive audio experiences that we call mind movies. Each mind movie is structured around a central metaphor, enabling complex psychological concepts to be understood, retained, and applied more effectively. For example, depression is conceptualized as a prolonged, harsh winter, while anxiety is represented as a turbulent, unpredictable storm. Now, returning to your MentalFloss computer-based companion app, to consolidate learning, the online exercises integrate expertly designed digital content, applied to commonly encountered real-world examples. These examples demonstrate how your keystone principles can be applied to address common scenarios, including interpersonal conflict, maladaptive relationship patterns, and family-related stresses. Through the application of proven core cognitive behavioural therapy principles, delivered via a novel, metaphor-based system, MentalFloss facilitates measurable changes in both cognition and behaviour. MentalFloss helps you not only understand your mind, but also build resilience and robust mental health. MentalFloss is simple and intuitive. You'll easily get the hang of it. It will become second nature in no time at all.